Hello and welcome to VFX Tutored and Fusion 9. We offer 3 levels of tutorials to help with your Fusion 9 learning experience. Starter, Regular and Plus. This is the regular level for those of you who are looking for a more advanced training on match moving in Fusion 9. Now it's time to work with the auto tracking process in Fusion 9. You will be able to prepare the scene to the next step, which is the camera solve. This is where you will learn how to set up the trackers properly and how to work with the proper tracking channel, tracker pattern sizes, and even how to change the tracker color for better visibility. Now don't forget that this is just a quick preview, and if you want to start your learning experience, click on the VFX Tutored link under this video and jump into the actual course.
So our next step would be to click on the auto track. And we already see that we have some issues. First of all, we do have trackers that are on what is known T-junctions, except for tracker Auto 71 that finds a new pattern and follows that one. Remember that if you have 2D trackers that don't move in the proper way, it's going to cause problems with the camera solve. So it's easy to say that I can select these 2 trackers and just delete them by hitting the delete button. If tracking is new to you, this process is also known as cleanup. So if I zoom out and I'm looking again at my sequence, I can try to detect other areas in which trackers give me the wrong 2D information. For example, trackers on trees, as you can see here in the top left corner, might pose a problem because we don't know if the foliage or the trees are actually moving due to a gust of wind, and that might introduce different 2D information that can hurt your solve as well. So far it is safe to say that the majority of the trackers are in good locations, and they also represent the background, the foreground, and the middle ground. Now here's another case where the computer is thinking about certain areas where it populates more than one tracker on the same spot. I would like to remind you that you can also hit the delete key on your keyboard, and that would get rid of the tracker as well. The next step would be to finalize the manual cleanup and go into the camera. Again, the manual cleanup is when you go frame by frame very slowly, and you're trying to see if there are any issues with trackers that might give you the wrong camera results. Another way to see the trackers on the screen and see their pattern areas is actually to click on this button right here in the toolbox that belongs to the camera track node. So if I click on this button, it will show me exactly what are the pattern areas that each tracker is actually following. This is very useful, especially if you notice that there are some trackers that you need to keep, but the pattern changes. Now we can go and jump into the camera tab.
Okay, so that's a sneak peek of lesson 2 in the regular course. You can click on the video tab 3 now to learn more about working on the camera parameters, or click below on the VFX Tutored link to begin your regular course right now. You can also have a look at the Plus level that goes into a lot more advanced details. We've made each course an affordable price point and have also bundled them together to lower the price even further. Now don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the little bell button to get instant notifications when we upload a new series of tutorials for you. Thank you and goodbye.